Hey guys, it's Katie Lendel here and welcome to my channel. If you are not subscribed yet, what I do here is provide different tips, strategies, and methods on how to build your online business. So if you're interested in that, go ahead and subscribe. I'd love to have you as a part of this tribe here. Alright, so in this video, what I will go ahead and go over is the 7 ways of how gratitude can actually improve your life. Also, I wanted to say happy Thanksgiving, for those of you guys who are celebrating it. Happy Thanksgiving to you guys. And let's go ahead and go over the 7 ways of how gratitude can actually improve your life. So the first way is gratitude actually shifts your focus. So if you woke up and you feel grateful, you will have a complete different focus throughout the day than somebody who would wake up and think about problems and just not being grateful for anything in their life. Gratitude helps you feel happy. When you are grateful, you are happy. You're feeling these emotions of happiness, and it is definitely improving your your state of mind. Having gratitude also reduces your innermost fears. So if you're scared to start your online business or do different things in different areas of your life, it is also helping you to reduce those fears, which helps you move forward in life. It also makes your faith stronger. So if you are working on something and you don't really believe that you're gonna be able to get it done, to get it accomplished, when you are grateful for different things in your life, even for the opportunity to do that specific thing that you're working on, it will make your faith stronger, which will help you accomplish and achieve and do the thing that you are working on. Gratitude also gives you peace of mind. So imagine, two different people. One person woke up with a grateful attitude, grateful mindset, and just being grateful. And another person, again, woke up and just thinking about all the problems, all the issues, and different things that he or she is experiencing in life. Imagine the difference between those two people. Obviously, the person who is grateful for the things has a peace of mind, but the person who woke up thinking about the problems, issues, challenges in their life or in his or her life is has more stress. I believe it also helps you reach your goals faster when you are grateful for every little thing in your life. Either it is little or big. Things that we should be grateful for every single day. We actually take for granted a lot of things. And when you are grateful for every little thing in your life, not just the big things, it helps you reach your goals faster because it gives you, stronger faith. It gives you peace of mind. It reduces your stress, and it helps you and gives you that push to move on to the next step and to help you accomplish the next thing to get you closer to your goal. So it is definitely improving your life. It gives you a positive life, and it helps you reduce stress and all of these things. So gratitude definitely helps you improve the quality of your life. So make sure when you are waking up, when you wake up, feel grateful for everything in your life, even for the things that you think that they are issues, they're problems, they're challenges. Even for those things you should be grateful for, because those things are helping you move forward in life. Those things are helping you become a stronger person. Those things help you grow, and you should be grateful for not only the good things but also the things that you are experiencing problems and challenges in. So wake up every single day, be grateful for things, not just on a Thanksgiving day, but every single day be grateful, and just feel all the blessings that you are experiencing in your life, and you will be attracting more of the good things into your life when you are grateful for the things that you already have. You'll have more positive people coming into your life. You'll have more positive events, and opportunities coming into your life, and you'll feel, obviously when you're feeling that gratitude, you'll feel even more gratitude, and you'll feel more blessed in your life. All right, thank you so much for watching this video. Hope that will help you become more grateful for the things in your life, and hope that will help you become a more positive person and just look at things in life in a positive way, and just help you improve the quality of your life. All right, also, if you want to check out what I do for a living, how I help people achieve their dreams and their goals, go ahead and check out the link below this video, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. All right, I'll talk to you guys